Welcome to Dog with Care. Today, we're focusing on one of the most beloved and charming dog breeds in the world, the Shih Tzu. These little dogs are known for their beautiful long coats, playful temperament, and close bonds with their human families. But caring for a Shih Tzu isn't just about cuddles and treats. Their unique features, such as their flat face, large eyes, and flowing hair, require daily attention and specific care. In this video, you'll learn everything you need to know to keep your Shih Tzu healthy, happy, and looking fabulous. From grooming tips to feeding routines, common health concerns, and daily lifestyle habits. And remember, this video is for general guidance and does not replace advice from your vet. Let's begin with what makes a Shih Tzu so special. Originally bred to be lapdogs for Chinese royalty, the Shih Tzu was often called a little lion dog, due to its proud posture and flowing mane-like coat. But don't be fooled by their royal history. Shih Tzus are incredibly friendly, loyal, and adaptable. They usually weigh between 4 and 7 kilograms and live for 10 to 16 years, though some live even longer with proper care. These dogs are excellent companions for all types of families, including elderly people, singles, or those living in smaller homes or flats. They thrive in a loving environment, but they also need routine, attention, and structure to feel secure. A key part of caring for a Shih Tzu is grooming. Their long, luxurious coat doesn't shed like other breeds. Instead, it grows continuously, much like human hair. This means daily brushing is essential to prevent painful tangles and matting, especially around the ears, under the legs, and around the tail. Use a soft, slicker brush, and take your time, making grooming a bonding experience. Regular baths every 3 to 4 weeks are also recommended, using a mild, dog-safe shampoo and conditioner. For owners with busy schedules, a shorter puppy cut or teddy bear trim is a practical option. This keeps your dog looking cute while making brushing much easier. Don't forget the eyes and face. These need to be cleaned daily to remove tear stains and prevent infection. Wipe gently with a damp cloth or special pet-safe wipes. Long hair around the face should be trimmed or tied up in a top knot to avoid irritation and eye damage. Also, check between the paw pads for trapped debris or hair growth, which can cause discomfort when walking. Because of their brachycephalic, flat-faced structure, Shih Tzus are prone to breathing difficulties. This means you should avoid exposing them to excessive heat, heavy exercise, or stressful environments. Walks should be short and gentle, preferably in the early morning or late afternoon when temperatures are lower. On particularly hot days, indoor playtime is best. Always provide fresh, cool water and a shaded area where your dog can rest. It's also wise to avoid using collars for walks. A harness is gentler and reduces pressure on the throat and airways. Shih Tzus have large, exposed eyes that are vulnerable to injury, infection, and dryness. Keep their face clean and monitor for signs of redness, discharge, or frequent blinking. If anything seems off, consult your vet promptly. Their ears, being floppy and covered in fur, are also prone to moisture buildup and ear infections. Clean them weekly with a dog-safe ear cleaner and trim any excess hair in the ear canal if recommended by your groomer or vet. Dental health is often overlooked, but extremely important. Shih Tzus are prone to tartar buildup, gum disease, and tooth loss. Make toothbrushing part of the weekly routine using a canine toothbrush and toothpaste. Nail trimming should also be done every 3 to 4 weeks or as needed to avoid overgrowth and painful walking. Feeding your Shih Tzu properly is crucial. They are small dogs with a tendency to gain weight easily, which puts extra stress on their joints and worsens breathing problems. Choose a high-quality dog food formulated for small breeds and measure portions carefully based on your dog's age, weight, and activity level. Avoid giving table scraps or frequent treats, and be especially cautious with foods that are toxic to dogs, such as chocolate, grapes, onions, and fatty meat. Some Shih Tzus have sensitive stomachs or allergies, so always observe how they respond to new foods. If in doubt, talk to your vet about the best diet plan. Although Shih Tzus love lounging, they are intelligent and benefit from daily mental stimulation. Simple training sessions using positive reinforcement techniques, like treats and praise, can help keep them sharp and well-behaved. They respond well to consistency and calm instruction, but they can also be a bit stubborn. Patience is key. Puzzle toys, treat dispensers, and short games of fetch or hide and seek can go a long way in preventing boredom-related behaviors like chewing or barking. Socialization is also important, especially from a young age. Introduce your Shih Tzu to other dogs, people, and various environments early on, always in a calm and positive manner. This helps prevent nervousness and anxiety in adulthood. Make sure your dog has regular veterinary checkups, ideally once a year, or more often for older dogs. Common issues in Shih Tzus include eye diseases, hip dysplasia, ear infections, dental disease, and respiratory issues. Your vet might recommend specific health screenings, depending on your dog's age and medical history. Keeping vaccinations, deworming, and flea tick prevention up to date is non-negotiable. For older Shih Tzus, additional checks for heart, kidney, and liver function may be necessary to detect any problems early. So while the Shih Tzu may be small in size, they're big in personality. And they certainly deserve all the care and attention we can give. From grooming and health checks, to proper feeding and mental stimulation, your Shih Tzu depends on you to live a happy, healthy life. If you enjoyed this guide, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Dog with Care, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of our weekly videos. Got a Shih Tzu at home? Leave a comment below. We'd love to hear about their quirks and favorite routines. And remember, this video is not a substitute for professional veterinary advice. Always consult your vet for any concerns. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care of your best friend.